Well, hello everybody. What are you doing, Ralph? Come on. Trying to get Ralph set up here. Oh. Good boy. Front right, front and center, Ralph. Got our dog labor going on here. Hey guys, how's everybody going? How are we all doing tonight? Looks like we got about 22 people in the channel right now. Good evening, everybody. Just getting down. Had a bit of a busy day. Kind of an impromptu session tonight. Popping in here. How'd you guys do on the FOMCs? Anybody trade the FOMC? So it looks like tomorrow we have, what do we have tomorrow? 9, where's the 30th? 30th, what do we have for news tomorrow? Bank rate statements. Core PCE. Initial jobless claims. So we got a bit of news tomorrow. What do we got going on tonight, though? Looks like we popped around the time that we had FOMC. We went higher and then sold off at the end of the session. Now we've been climbing here for quite some while, back below the VWAP. Be interesting what we're going to do here. If we can retake the VWAP, maybe we can try to target previous days VWAP. We do have 27,600 in the way. Got a couple contracts down there at 27,400, and then some up at 700 and 750. 700, 750 area. Kyle's in the house. Miss K, how you doing?
On the boulevard, some things catch up eventually.
Ripping here all the way up to the VWAP.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise.
I'm wondering, is this a time to short this guy? If we're going to get some continuation on the downside here.
Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight.
Raj Tiss in the house. How you doing, buddy? Pretty high volume push there, though. I don't know if we want to try to short this just yet. Deposit 100 into live markets after a week off. Use small risks, but caught 200 pips on gold CFDs. Made $100. Very nice, very nice. That's awesome. Stalling out a bit here. Looks like there's a bit of selling volume coming in. I think I do want to try a short here. I don't know, though. We weren't really below the VWAP for very long, so maybe I should be a little patient here. There's a pretty high volume push here, so I'm actually going to hold off for now. Closing my charts, but watching for the vibes. Hey, thanks, Atheist. Yeah, good thing I didn't short that there. It's quite the strong push. And, just taking a look at the trading session here, like we popped up out of the gate and then we've been holding nicely above the VWAP, although we got a little bit below it. This could just recover straight up above. We do have, let's see, what's 15 minute? We got a 15-minute bearish fair value gap up here at 625 and then some up at 800. So Jay Loves, top of the night to you. How are you? Kind of feel like I need to update this high time frame candles here. I was liking having this one just to see. We can see the 15. Oh, where's the 15 minute? Why is the 15 not showing up here? What is going on? Yeah, it should be there.
Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
I'm doing okay. I'm done for the night. Just passed my eval. Nice. Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. Let's get out of vertical mode. Oh yeah. I haven't set up the link just yet. Let's see here. Let me just grab the video. Let's go live. Your channel live. I'm gonna post. Good evening, Jerry. Caught a banger off FOMC and passed to Apex in one trade. Very nice, Kyle. This guy, look at that. That's awesome. We're all eating tonight, eh? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go into the vertical stream here and post the main stream, pin it. Okay, join. Pin this guy real quick. All right. Let's get in the main stream now. We'll link the Discord. Bit of a long day today. I was busy doing work in the yard all day, so I'm feeling a little bit tired, but hey, figured let's get on and see what we can find going on in the markets. Hang out with my boys and girls on the stream session here. Gold is in an interesting zone for longs, hey? The Chilama in the house. What am I trading? I'm looking at NQ. I'm looking at NQ right now. Oh, that's why the 15 wasn't showing up on the time frame chart, because I was still in the 15 minute. There we go. Because I wanted to frame out this fair value gap above. Let's see if we're going to end up getting bullish here or not. Frame this guy out. 15 minute fair value gap. Okay. Back to the fiver. Futures, yes. MNQ futures. How about you? What do you like to trade, Barry? Hey, Chris, thank you. Like the stream, everybody. Appreciate that. I'm trying to make it taking my time for sure. Okay, nice. Tape reader Alex in the house. How you doing? The Chilama, I don't really trade gold. I've traded it in the past. It made me blow up some accounts, so I usually stay away from it. So looks like we're tanking some more after the move this morning. Yeah, right. We're just kind of in pretty bearish territory in general, right? So keep going lower. Keep going lower. Yeah, it's futures and MNQ, micro NASDAQ futures. Yes, sir. Futures markets. Damn, should have taken the short off the VWAP. I just figured we'd been above the VWAP. We might play around here a little bit longer here, so maybe they're just kind of tricking us here.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge.
Okay.
Wait for confirmation.
We got 28 people watching right now, total of 37 watching. So we got some people in the vertical stream, some are in the mainstream. If you guys are in the vertical stream, you can join us in the mainstream by clicking the link in the comment section. And then once you get over here, head over to the Discord with the link in the mainstream. You can get in on our giveaway. We give away one 25K Lucid Flex account every Sunday. So I have a form on the Discord. You just fill out that form. You'll be entered in for all the Sunday giveaways for the month. We reset the form once a month. So you'll be in for that. So what's up, Barry? You're sorry for what? What are you sorry for, bro? Don't be sorry. So stuck in a little bit of a range here, looking like a bit of a chop zone. You trade options contracts on one chart. Gotcha. Options are good if you have decent strategies. But if you're just buying calls and puts, I would definitely recommend futures. Zero Skills, good evening. Welcome, welcome. How are you? I don't know with this market here, guys. It looks pretty, I don't know. What do you guys think? Kind of seems like we're at a pretty dull moment on the market right now. Doing good. Ready for another trading day. Nice. Have you taken any trades tonight, or are you just kind of just getting started? Is Amen posting in the Discord right now? Looks like it. That's why I said if you work on your entry, you can take your profits anywhere you like. Mostly sat it out today. Looking forward to London. Yeah, I guess London's going to be when we get better action. We'll see, though. You never know. This thing might start moving for us here pretty soon. We do have about 15 minutes to the hourly candle, which is a midnight candle, so we might get a little bit of action at that time. We do have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap above, so if we end up turning bullish, this could be a decent target. 750 to 800 area. Greg P, good evening, Dave. I'm sitting on hands tonight as I traded the open, and I'm nicely green, but wanted to pop in. Hey, nice, good for you. Yeah, all of all my accounts are kind of back to $0 on the day. So, what did I do today? I made 235 in my funded accounts, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I made like 360 in an eval, and I forget what else. 190 in the other eval. So decent day. Yeah, definitely don't force any trades. How do I trade, Barry? I use a VWAP strategy. So I use previous day value areas and VWAP, and then I typically use fair value gaps for entries. So it's kind of a combination of a couple of strategies. So typically If we're above the VWAP, I'm looking for longs. If we're below, I'm looking for shorts. In this situation, though, even though we're above the VWAP here, the overnight VWAP, we're below previous day's point of control. So kind of have mixed signals at the moment. So, I mean, if we can get a nice closure above the value area low and like being above the VWAP, maybe we can try it long here, but kind of feel like we're probably going to go lower, but we're going to wait for a little bit more of a confirmation here before I decide what I'm looking for exactly. Because we also have this 15-minute fair value gap on the downside. $27,709 is the low we made between FOMC decision and the end of WAR's Q&A. I think that's why we rejected that earlier. That's this evening. I sense we're going to want to retest those New York reaction lows. Yeah, but hoping for a pullback to 560, 575. Hey, Klee. Yeah, Klee, I'm not normally on. Just kind of felt like getting on. I'm actually feeling pretty tired, so figured I'll just come hang out for a bit, see if we can't find a quick trade or two, and then you know, I'm probably not gonna be on too long. Had a late start, and I put a whole bunch of hours in yard work today, so I'm feeling a little drained from, you know, the sunshine and working and all that. So, you know, when did you go live? What's good? Like 8:30 my time, so 11:30. A little bit like an hour later than I normally would. You don't use order flow footprint charts? Your order book? Yeah, so this is a book map. It just helps me, you know, with targets and whatnot, right? So typically price likes to go where the orders are. So I'll be looking, you know, I'll kind of like build my strategy off of what I'm seeing on the chart, what I'm seeing on TradingView, and then I kind of use the book map as confluence as to whether or not, you know, if there's orders above or below. Like right now, it's not very clear. We have orders above and below, just kind of like right around price. There's nothing really super clear as to what direction this thing wants to go. Maybe if we scroll out a bit further at a higher level or much lower level, we can find. So 750 has 103 contracts, 102 at 250. So 500 point swing between those contracts. $60's got a whole bunch of contracts there. Well, there was a bunch. They just took them off, it looks like, I guess. Book map is a good tool, yes. I'm looking mad cozy. Yeah, I'm using a little bit more calm outfit today. Just nice t-shirt and hat. And then I got the fire going, keeping me warm in the background, you know? It looks like we're going to go lower to you. Yeah, I agree. We'll see, though. We've had some pretty high volume candles here on the 15-minute chart. These 5-minute candles also were pretty, like this one right here tried to take the VWAP, and then we ended up pulling back down. So now we're getting back above it. So I'll be patient here, wait to see what the market decides to give us here. Gold is reacting in this zone. Let's see. Let's take a quick look at gold here. It looks pretty thin. Am I on the wrong gold chart? MGCQ. Is there a new contract? It's on the Z now. Oh, that's December. Not Q? Are you sure it's not V for October? Because Z is December. Now on Z, okay. Yeah, I don't really trade it anyway, so I might as well just go on the one. I like to be on the actual contract if I'm trading it, but since I'm not trading, we'll just take a look at it here. Wow, gapped up nicely. Pulled back into the bullish fair value gap. Do I have multiple fair value gap? Oh, what the... Oh, you're using the tops and it automatically updates the platform or the contract. Nice. Sounds like you can almost quit your jobs, FN Trades. What happened? Did I miss a comment there? Being on a bit of a streak this week. Hit another 370 on 5 accounts and 300 on 7 accounts. Wow. All on the ES reject 2 hours ago. Nice. So like 73.90 area, value area low. You've been trading the ES, hey? Maybe I should get back to ES. It is a little bit more calm. Pretty decent take of the VWAP there. Increasing volume here. A or Let's get this out of here. So we got the midnight candle coming up pretty soon, so I would wait until resistance and take it lower. Yeah, it might be time to go lower. This sort of could be sort of a dead cat bounce here. You know, we pulled down, FOMC sort of shot us up, and then we made a new low. Maybe we're gonna kind of like roll over here. It would be a good target here down to 27,350 area. So. You can always add contracts if it's too easy for you. Yeah. 27,350 is a long way down. Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, the other option is 27,800 on the top side. So it's kind of like we're in the middle of everything right now. 200 points down or 200 plus up. Yes, I do trade with prop firms. Yes, I do. I use Lucid Trading. They're an amazing platform. You can use my code Butcher with discounts there. I use Tradeify. You can also use code Butcher there. Top One Futures, code Butch, BUTCH. Also trade Blue Sky. That's also code Butcher. And then I do trade E8 markets too, but I don't have any accounts with them right now as an option. And then Take Profit Trader. If in trades, as long as you don't mind working to make somebody else rich, it's nice to set your own hours and make money. Yeah. It actually wrap in sideways moves? Yeah, for sure. It does look like it wants to go sideways here.
New day, new edge. Here we go. Morning light.
My Lucid account is under review for the last 4 days. It's so frustrating. I'm unable to trade. What's it under review for, Metal? I thought it was a real fireplace. It is. What are you talking about? Look at it. See, I'm warming up my hands right now. Whew, toasty. And then you zoomed in. You're like, oh, it's just for the mood, right? Yes, I've traded Apex before. I don't have any accounts right now. Natural Energy in the house. LLC. How about you? Is that what you trade? Natural Energy? You trade Apex?
No chasing, no guessing, no hoping, just executing. Wait, watch, react.
Laughter, it's funny you say that. My typical size is either 2 ES or 1 NQ. Both are $300. Okay. Nice, bro. I hope I help you out. I can't wait until I could live stream on YouTube because I started my YouTube channel. Oh, nice. So you're going to be trading options on your channel? Oh, you trade Lucid and Take Profit? Yeah, those are my two faves also. Anyone trade with Tradeify? Anyone trade with Tradeify? What a cock-up platform. This has never experienced anything like it. Why? What happened, Randall? Here we go. We got the midnight open here.
Follow the plan. Protect the capital.
Midnight open candle here, just starting right now.
Execute.
You do options with Robinhood? Nice. I've seen so many issues with Tradeify. I'm on futures. I use TradeC. Gotcha. I've never really had any problems with Tradeify, but I just really mostly just use it for like, you know, just like executions, chart executions, right? So you're just trying to find, yeah, trying to provide some motivation. I get it. Just trying to provide some motivation. Oh, sorry. Yeah. My content is not decent because I'm homeless right now. Oh, yeah, that's a little hard. That would be pretty interesting though if you're like trading from your car or something, like you know what I mean? It's like, I'm trading options from my car, and like you got your like setup inside your car. That'd be pretty awesome. You still use Top Step 50K 95 no activation key. Love the platform. Nice. I just got sick of Top Step, like the Project X, Top Step X kind of platform. We had quite a few complications around the time that everybody started migrating away from it. I don't hate the platform though. I like it. Hey, we got about 73 people watching right now. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Would appreciate it if you guys hit that like button. Hopefully we can, if we get to 75 likes, we'll do a race tonight for extra ducks into the Sunday race. If you guys are new to the channel, head over to there's a pinned comment there. Click that. That'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel in the Discord. Scroll to the top there, or hit the pinned comment button, and you'll be able to find a little Google Docs form. Once you fill that out, you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaway for 25K Lucid Flex account, which you give away every Sunday. So check it out. Check it out. Nope, I haven't taken a trade yet. Not today. Nada. Just stuck at the VWAP here. I'm kind of waiting for something to happen here. Oh yeah, midnight open candle just started, right? So we can pretty much mark this midnight open price out. Close enough, right around there. Kind of want us to start looking a little bearish here. If we do, then I could probably, go for a short scalp sort of targeting 27,485 area, but we're just kind of stuck in this area, so I'm not really sure what we're going to be doing here. We're going to be patient. So H Santiago, I'll probably be finished right before the before London happens. So it was normally I'm only live Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, but had a little bit of time tonight, so I figured I would get started. So Dave, you're a true entrepreneur, already thinking of how to make trading from a car. It's genius, gotta admit. Yeah, you could probably make some good content like that. Be like the only guy who trades futures from the car. Why not make money while you drive? Yeah, right, eh? Like, okay, I'm in the trade, guys. Let's just drive around till the trade plays out. Get a Tesla and make money while your car drives? That would be hilarious. trade right off your Tesla screen somehow? We're really getting not a whole lot of price action at the moment here. I thought the midnight candle might give us a little bit more action than we got there, but so far not really getting much out of this thing. Bruh, nice hat for real. Hey, thank you. Yeah, this is from the website marketbutchertrades.com. Got a little bit of trading swag. Shirt, sweater, hat, coffee cup, and a desk mat, or trading whatever mouse pad, but it's a desk size mouse pad. It's a big one. Yeah, mouse pad. Had trouble spitting that out. Quadruple extra large mouse pad, yes. Yeah, I'll have to spend some time here pretty soon and try to come up with Market Butcher number 002 collection. We are starting to push down here a little bit. I did hop in a short here. Let me just try to get this account connected here. Let's see. Blue sky. Blue sky eval here. Targeting the lows. I'm actually thinking to take one off here. Tap it. One there. Actually might even take another one here really quickly if I can get it off, and then we'll leave one runner. Try to lock in some greens. Come on, take it. Here we go, 2 contracts out there. We'll put one here, buy stop there in the profit, and then we're gonna just target the lows here. Let's see if we can't let this thing get all the way down there. I'm actually going to close the take profit order. Let's just try to trail this guy. See if we can let it run a bit. You accidentally grabbed 2 minis and made 560? Yeah, that's a good problem, but... Laughter, or Clee, you trade from the beach? Really? That's nice. That's beautiful. My God, yesterday Dow 265 when I should have been up. Oh, you're down 265? Should have been up 200 just now. I tried to do a limit order and they didn't hit my limit order price. I tried to change it. Anyways, I'm down 226. Too bad. So we're on the 2-minute chart here. So if this candle's closing right there. So I'm going to move my stop down a bit now. Let's see if we can't just trail this guy. Maybe we're going to get a decent move lower here without a huge bounce, hopefully. So worst case scenario, looks like I'm locked in about 15 points in profit. So worst case scenario, if this thing bounces on me, I'll lock in another $60 at the moment. Currently up $90 in this trade. Closed a couple already. Question on the new daily account. It says most we can make is $8 per day until they move us to live. 8K per day until they move us to live. So as long as we stay lower than 8K per day, is it good, or is that total? I think you can only, if you, you're allowed to, I never heard that rule. So does that say that you're allowed to withdraw $8,000 per day? No, it probably, there's still going to be a certain amount of payouts you're allowed to take. You know, like if you take like 4 payouts or 5 payouts or whatever in a row, they're probably going to try to move you to live, right? Hey, Catherine, welcome. Watching from the Philippines. Nice. Love it. Philippines are amazing. We love the Philippines. Welcome to Canada. First light beacon per day, 6K on the 25. It's a new Lucid, no cap. Gotcha. Well, it's 8K minus the 2100 at 90%, so it's like 5900. Gotcha. Yeah, the buffer counts. Gotcha. I want to do what you're doing, bro. Yeah, I mean, you should definitely do it. Definitely. Okay, I'm gonna lock in just a little bit more here, just above this 2-minute candle, last 2-minute candle there. Hopefully this thing's gonna make another move lower here. Yeah, if you get some Market Butcher swag, then you're gonna be a step closer to being a live streamer. No. What? That sounds like a Nick question. What did I miss? What did you say here? Oh, is that per account? Yeah, I haven't really looked into these Lucid daily payout accounts yet, so should probably ask some questions to the AI here real quick. Looks like I gotta hook up my two-stage authentication with Lucid. Let's see. About time they did this. So my two Lucid Flex accounts I can take a payout from them. I'm just trying to be patient and build a little bit more buffer in them before I do it. But I did want to ask support here about the Lucid daily accounts here. I have a question. Okay, so here are the key payout rules for the Lucid daily accounts. The profit split is 90-10. The minimum payout request is 500. You must be above the buffer balance, cannot withdraw from the buffer. You need positive net profit since the last payout of even $1. No consistency rule, no fixed payout window. You can request a payout any day once eligible. The payout request button appears at the end of the day when the system updates. After approval, payouts are sent within 2 business days. What's the max payout? All right, we're getting pushed lower here, guys. This is looking pretty good so far. The maximum payout equals all sim profits above your buffer balance. You can request a payout any day once you're above the buffer and have positive profits since the last payout. So the limit is simply how much profit you've built over the buffer. Yeah, if your balance is above the buffer, the payout maximum is simply the amount of sim profits you have above that buffer. So in theory, if you had 10,000 in profit above the buffer, you could request $10,000 payout. Minimum request is 500. So there you go, guys. I mean, I don't think that there's a cap on it. Doesn't sound like there's a cap on it. I bought 2 Lucid dailies and passed by tomorrow, so I'll try it out. Nice. But keep in mind, be careful when you're in the buffer stage, right? Because it is end of day, right? Or intraday trailing until you get past the buffer. So be careful with that. Coffee basic. Do you sleep at all? Sometimes. I didn't. I actually had a nap midday today, guys. I'm just gonna lock in a little bit more here. Right above the 500s here. We'll put it to 503. It's per account they're going to get raped. Well, I mean, it's the same thing as take profit trader, right? I was considering it, bro, but I don't like the intraday trailing drawdown. Yeah, you got to be really careful. So it's kind of like take profit trader. Like I got my take profit trader account is I have the one funded account, the pro account here, and it's up 2,313. So I'm above the buffer finally. So now I'm being a little more like not trying to rush taking profits. I'm trying to let it run a little bit more on the trades because again, this is a daily payout or no consistency anyways, not necessarily daily payouts because I think you still need to have a certain amount of trading days on it, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. There's so many rules. But anyways, I'm trying to get like, you know, about 1,500 to 2,000 profit in that one. And then I'll end up taking a payout there. And then, you know, my 2 Lucid funded accounts here, I could definitely take a payout also, Lucid funded flex, but there's just not going to be enough buffer left in those accounts. So I do have a discount code with them, guys, code Butcher. And then here is their current, oh shoot. So what traders like about Lucid daily payouts, no payout caps, no consistency in funded, 2-day pass, customizable plan, up to 15K out. Oh, up to 15K payout on move to live. So they definitely want to you to go live with those. So code Butcher if you want to use my discount code for that. Appreciate the support. Let's see. Got your payout. Yeah, they're super fast payouts. Yes, but the rule on 8K per day is not clear. I didn't see that. It says no payout caps. So and there's no consistency. So I don't see why there'd be a payout cap. But you do have, like, once you a certain amount of payout, you're gonna probably get moved to live, right? Just says per day, but then it says they move you to live if you pass 8K. Huh. Big Teflon, I realized my passport was 1 week out of data, so I had to wait for a new one before I can verify with Lucid. Oh, damn. Thanks, Jerry. Does Dave know it's Wednesday? Yes, I do know it's Wednesday. I just came on for an impromptu session here. Come on, Bears. Don't let this pop here too much. Lucid daily funded is trailing intraday drawdown though, right? Yeah, until you get past the buffer, it's trailing intraday. So until you get the 2000 buffer, right? If it's a 50K, you got to be pretty aggressive on taking your profit. So we need another bounce up to the VWAP for another short. Are you saying that I need to cut this thing or what? You think we're going to go all the way to the VWAP? Looks like it's going to stop me out here. Butcher, you're confusing people. I thought it was Tuesday for a minute, right? Yeah, just trying to put in some extra time here. Just, you know, had a little bit of time, so I figured I'd hop on for an hour or two. With the Pro, you can take it daily. With the Pro account, okay, yeah, the Take Profit Trader Pro. I almost added there, guys. I really should have added there, but we'll see. This might not be done bouncing. What the heck is that blob of colors on your screen? On the left-hand side, you mean here? This is a book map, right? So this is just where the contracts on the book map are. I'm actually just going to give this a couple more points here. Move it up to 505. Lucid is 5 days. Yeah, okay, that's what I was thinking. But for the daily, it says once you pass 8K, you get moved to live. Let me ask. I'm going to ask. No, passing the 8K buffer does not move you to live. The buffer is just the level you must stay above to withdraw profits. You can keep trading, blah, blah, blah. What makes so you will... You can be moved to live if the risk team decides you're ready. This usually happens when one of them occurs. You hit maximum daily profit for your account size. You've been paid out a large amount over time. You showed exceptional performance and you've been moved to live before. The final decision is always the risk management team. The best tool you didn't know you wanted, Bookmap. Yes, you did. Yes. They let you transfer up to 15K to a live account. Okay. If you go to the FAQs, you'll see. Okay. They made it intraday and then allow high payouts, hoping that you go for it, then blow it. Yeah, so if you're just slow and steady and try to work your way past the buffer, you know, get past the buffer, and then you don't have to worry about that intraday trailing drawdown, right? With intraday, you have to be patient and trade small base hits. Once you have your buffer, you'll trade setup. Yeah, exactly. Just like TPT, right? Same thing. Is trap the 1x VWAP band? Gotcha. I think VWAP is where it wants to go. Dave, have you ever had an issue with TPT accounts hitting monthly renewal? Yes. Yeah. I had passed a couple accounts and then one of them renewed and it was almost passed. And then I basically had to pay a renewal fee and then passed it shortly after. So dang, Naz is reacting heavy right now. I know this might stop me out. So you're certain that once you pass the buffer, it's end of day? Yeah, of course. Because the buffer stops, like it'll lock, right? Wow, I feel lucky I had a buy order sitting at 27,200. Looks like I'm getting stopped out here on this last micro in profit. Let's see. Come on, pull back here. Yeah, I'm out there. All right, well, that was okay. So 60 plus 35 plus 44, $140 basically in that trade. You had a buy order sitting at 27,200 from earlier tonight. I just came across looking for the bottom. That could have been a very bad if we went to bed with it open. Oh, yeah, good thing you found that, Klee. You find order flow gives you a real edge. Some people talk about it in that way. You know, I don't really use the book map sort of like as my strategy, but it is good to know where the orders are, right? If if the orders are, if it's really dark below and then there's all these orders above, it definitely helps you with your confidence on directional bias, right? Yeah, always flatten before bed. Lately, I've been making a habit. Look at that pump here, guys. So all the way back to the VWAP. Yeah, I've been going through all my accounts and hitting the sort of like exit all positions, cancel all button on every one of my accounts lately, because I lost a TPT account that was 50% of the way past a couple weeks ago from that same problem. So could have been bad. Yep. If it's about Lucid Daily, the 8K is a number you don't want to touch on any given day. If you don't want to go live, you can make $7,999 per day to not go live until you get too many payouts. I really wish TradingView would sort their shoot out and get proper level 2, so we don't need all use Bookmap and other platforms. Yeah, that would be helpful, right? Once you hit the buffer, it's static. Yeah, not end of day. From Lucid, if you meet or exceed the daily amount, you are automatically moved to live. 8K for a 50K account. Okay, good to know. Watching aggression pop on the POI is inevitable. Yeah. Oh, you had that happen to you this week, Daniel? Like you left a contract on and like lost some accounts or got damaged on it, or what? Nothing wrong with live. I go for 300 per day copied on all of them. Nice. Yeah. 10 live times 300 is 3K. Yeah. You just lost 5 TPT. Okay. Yeah, Nick. Sorry to hear about that, bro. That's bull caca. You got a renewal charge on TPT and my card auto declined it, but then accepted it. The TPT website says the account is renewed, so it looks fine, but I'm slightly concerned. Mustang, been there more times than I can imagine. You may come back, friend. Just reset your mind first. Yeah, Nick knows all about getting more funded accounts. He's no stranger to that. He just kind of, unfortunately, there was an error on the platform, and he somehow was hedging, but unintentional. It was like an error on the software side. So that's why he lost those accounts. FYI. This morning, I actually came out 500 on to the good, but it was very scary. Nice. And Chillum, you're so paranoid. I clicked exit, cancel all, and I locked myself out of TradeBait before I leave. Yeah, that's a good idea, though. Smart to be like that. Back up to the VWAP here. What a pump there. You only traded 63 accounts right now. This sucks. Only 63 accounts, Nick. Only. It's like those first world problems, you know? How we doing on likes? Do you think we're going to hit 75 so we can do a duck race tonight, guys? Damn, we got 150 people watching right now. What the heck happened? Where did everybody come from? Yeah, sarcasm, I know, right? I know, Nick. I know you. And by the way, when he says sarcasm, he's joking about this sucks, not the 63 accounts. He actually is trading 63 accounts, probably somewhere at that number anyways. So 152 people watching right now. If you guys would appreciate it, if you guys hit that like button, let's try to get up to 75. Then we'll start doing a duck race for some extra ducks in the next Sunday giveaway. And if you're new to the stream, guys, there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. That'll take you to the Discord. Go into the Discord, find the giveaway channel. Scroll to the very top. There's a pinned comment in the giveaway channel. You can be entered into the Sunday Lucid Flex 25K giveaway account. So there must be some lag trading. No, not if you're using Traders Post. That's what this command pad is here on the right hand side. Air 23, yo, first time here. Hey, welcome to the stream, buddy. I'm your friendly Canadian. Where are you from? Usually most people are in the United States, but at nighttime we often get lots of people from Europe and India. So I'm just usually assuming that people are from the States. So I usually say, I'm your good friendly Canadian from the north. But if you are new to the channel, guys, like I said, head over to the Discord. It's a pinned comment there in the chat, in the YouTube comment section. Head to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top, fill out the giveaway form in the giveaway channel, and you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways. I only get about 4 accounts to give away per month. So if you head into there, you'll be entered into all the future Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month, which actually, it's going to be a new form. So I forgot, because we're going to have to start a new form. I might actually just leave this form until Sunday, because what's the date? Wednesday. And we got the new, when is the end of the month here? 31st. Yeah, so I'll end up leaving this form until after this Sunday. So there's going to be a new form after Sunday, guys. FYI. I do not care about the code or free giveaways. I just want your professional opinion on about the market. Hey, well, yeah, hang out with us here. And so far, my professional opinion is the market is choppy at the moment. We tried to break down. I was hoping that we were going to target this 50-minute fair value gap below, but looks like we found support here in this 5-minute bullish fair value gap from earlier part of the session. Now we're back up at the VWAP, so not really sure exactly what we're going to be doing here. Wouldn't mind us to pop up back above the VWAP though. My original idea is that we've been pretty bullish. We've been above the VWAP the whole time. We got below the VWAP, but we're not really making much of a lower move. So I'm kind of leaning a little bit bullish still. So we'll have to see. We have contracts above. They're at 600. We got about 39. Let's take a look at NQ. Maybe there's a little bit more up there. Stanley 5skin for my 25K builder account on my funded futures. And for day 1, I made 1,017. Day 2, I made 1,016. I know there's a 50% consistency, but will $1 not allow me to get a payout? Consistency is like 50.04. For the 25K, what's your profit target? Is the profit target is 2,000 for that? To get a payout? Because if it's, I think you'd have to add up the 17 and the $16 to make it. So you might have to make 30 bucks, right? Ish. Head and shoulders pattern. This one, 1, 2, like this, and you think we're kind of bouncing here though. Might go lower. Jerry Trades, I have a tip for Dave. The previous day +2 band is 547. No, you will get the payout? Oh yeah, ChatGPT can give you the number to get paid. Yes, that's true. That is true. Getting a pullback here to this bullish fair value gap. See if we're going to close below this. That would definitely seem like the bears are kind of back in action here. We can't get above the VWAP here. We're getting a lot of rejections there. When AOC becomes POTUS, the borders will open again. With Lucid, at least, even though there's a 50% rule, it says that really 52%, they leave a 2% buffer just in case you make too much. Yeah, I think they let you go a little bit over the 50%, right? Where some of them might be a little bit more strict. And Canada will have to renounce statehood. That would be interesting. If that happens, Dubai, here I come. First light beacon. Yeah, I'm looking at, I would like to move to, like, I don't know, Portugal, or I don't know, somewhere that's warm. And I know we might end up being the 51st state. Mark Carney would love that. Just kidding. Dubai sucks, really? I've been there once. I thought it was pretty nice. Romeo Hayashi. Laughter, that's right. What state would you reside in at Butcher? If we became the 51st state, you mean? I think I would want to go to Florida if I could pick a place to live in the States. You heard China is cool? Yeah, China's cool. 中国人非常好. I'm Canadian, but the income tax brackets are horrible here. Yes, they are. They are. My Chinese super good? 谢谢你。我是大卫，请问你叫什么名字？这个房子非常好。你是中国人吗？我喜欢吃水果。 You love some sort of fruit, right? What is it? Qi shui guo? Is that like pear or something? Qi shui guo. Oh, you love to eat fruit, right? You love to eat fruit. Don't you get a headache if you trade the whole day? My head hurts a little bit sometimes, but Dave, did you take Chinese lessons in college? No, I learned from an app. I'm old. Your pronunciation is super pro, not only the sound, but you also get the tone. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you. That's always a nice compliment. I do get a headache if I'm on the charts for longer than 2 to 3 hours. You got to get some of these glasses, guys. They tint it. They block out the blue light. Chinese has 4 tones. You managed it so damn super. Hey, thank you. Did we? Hi, Ralph. Ralph's sleeping, guys. Oh, he heard me say his name. Look at that. He's opened an eye. Hey, Ralph. See? Overtrading will be a problem if you stay in the market all day. It can be, but you know, you guys have seen me hanging out and not taking any trades for a while. Or ni zai na li mei li nanji yan ying? Ni zai na li. I'm not sure what that means, but maybe you need to turn it into English for me. My girlfriend tried to reach my Mandarin. It's just so far yes and thank you. Yeah. Is there treats? You got to sign off, K Atheist. Have a good one. But we also keep you distracted. Yes, that's true. That's true. I'm constantly dealing with the chat, but I got them on Amazon. How did it go with the engagement and the views? What are you talking about, the glasses? I only place 1 trade per day. The only reason I stay longer, 2 to 3 hours, is because it might take forever to form that day. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, if you're patient waiting for the sort of the plan to come together. The YouTube channel, I've been streaming live now for 10 months or so, I think. So it was not quite. So August 2025. Yeah, so September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So 10, 11 months now. Buenas noches. Gane algo de dinero, me voy a dormir. Good night. You say buenas noches, good night. Something about money. Adios, Mustang Trader. Did you try new tags or strategies to boost the channel? Yeah, so I updated my title. I updated my thumbnail. I put some hashtags into the description, and it's been a little bit better. So and I don't know what happened there, but we had about a week there where the viewers kind of like disappeared. Like the algorithm was not sharing the stream. And then I just powered through it, and here we are. We're back in action. So pan dulce y galatas con leche. The name of the glasses are, they're Horus X. Horus with the X after that. Horus X. I also have these guys, which I got off of Amazon also. These ones are, but they're not tinted, so I don't use them that much. These ones are Fred. They're called Fred. I don't know. But yeah, because I got like streaming lights to like brighten me up, that it's really important for me to have like the tint. Popping back up here, guys. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. VWAP again, but this time it pushes through to the upside. Yeah, it could. Let's see. Let's go. We need to invert this bearish fair value gap. Would be nice. 521 closure above 521. 2.5 minutes left here. Toshiba, Sashimi, Kawasaki, Lenovo Mustang. Is that like your? Sorry, that was Spanish. Here is probably inaccurate Japanese. Oya suminasai sukoshi kasagatano de mo nemasu. Hectron, what indicator are you speaking? Hope it rockets higher. Yeah, that would be nice. Lenovo. Trina Banana in the house. Hey Trina, how are you? How are you? How are you? You forgot to put some soy sauce in there? Musashi's here. Musashi lives in Japan right now, guys. You're back. Wife is putting the baby to bed. Klee is feeling bullish. Yeah, too bad it rejected pretty hard there. I mean, this bull move might not be over. What's up, everybody? Horse fed in the house. Good evening. How you doing, buddy? We got 160 people tuned in right now. 0 people on X for some reason. Maybe it's just not promoting me tonight for some reason. I'm gonna go in. Sometimes I gotta go into the channel and like click the live, make sure it's running. Yeah, we're live. We're live. So I was taking a look at Nick's channel. Nick's got 189 subscribers now, guys, which is pretty cool. It's nice to see his channel finally grow and putting a little bit of effort in there to promote his stream. So here you guys go. Nick is Mustang Trader there. He's the one talking in the chat. Head over to his channel right there. He does a pre-market session, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then he'll join up with me around market open. So yeah, head over there, give Nick a follow. He's the guy with the 60-something accounts copy trading. So if you want to learn about scaling and risk management and yeah, scaling, risk management, and copy trading. So, and he does a lot of pre-market trades. So if you guys want to get in there early, if you're up early, go hang out with him and then come join us in the mainstream right before market opens, usually around 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know how to speak U.S. English too. Burger, fries, Coca-Cola, and Ford. There you go. There you go. Right? What do you disagree, FN Trades? No brands and food names? Oh. I need to move away from the screen The fire behind you is too hot. Yeah, it's burning me up right now. Jeez. Whew. It's a little cool in here, so it's nice to have the heat. Remember when I was a guest on Prop Firm Match and I was making fun of me for my 4 followers? Yeah, that was a while ago. It's once you get over 100, it starts to go, hey, you got 192 now. So you just got 4 subscribers, just like that, from a little plug. Yeah, once you get over a couple hundred subscribers, it starts growing faster from my experiences. So Trina Banana, you're literally speaking my language. What's the sexiest accent or language? I was visiting Manhattan, New York, went into a store. The girl at the register had a very heavy New York accent. You loved it? Hey, I mean, if that's what you like, all power to you, brother. Ralph's just like passed out right now, guys. Let's get this. Let's get some other tunes going here. Well, we're kind of holding these lows here. Is this gonna pop up? I don't know. I'm not really seeing much on the big boy NQ contracts here. I don't really like looking at the NQ. It's just hard to make sense of it. This one looks better. We do have some contracts coming on up there at 540. 27,540. Also some down here at 450. 75 contracts right below us at 450. Maybe they're gonna have to go sweep those and then go higher. I don't know. Or they're gonna sweep that and continue lower. Some contracts down there, 27,400. I'm still waiting for you to play that guitar and shock us all. Let me just keep working on that. Let me keep practicing on that. I should just get like a guitar song and then just like pretend like I'm playing, and you guys will think like I'm doing it. What is the sexiest accent, Dave? Probably, I don't know. I don't know. That's a good question. I guess it depends on each person. Has probably a different one. Calling trade. Sadly, I think this goes lower tonight. Was hoping for the bulls would have more power, as I hate shorting, but no trade better than a losing trade. Yeah, definitely. No trade is much better than a losing trade. No trade is much better than a losing trade. It's better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one, right? I usually, I'm not the best at trading short either. I'm working on that. I do better in a bullish market. So yeah, I think French is a nice language for sure. Most people will agree that French is a nice language. So, well, I guess no VWAP yet. So I'm not wrong until I'm wrong. How we doing on the likes, guys? We get to 75. Once we get to 75, we'll do that. We'll get that form going. See if we can do a little duck race. Oh, we got 75. Perfect. All right. Let's. I'm gonna get that form. Start working on that form here. An extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. So keep in mind, guys, if you want to get in on the Sunday giveaway, you got to head over to the Discord. Head over to the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top, fill out the form in the giveaway channel, and that'll get you entered into the Sunday giveaway. We give away one Lucid account, Lucid 25K Flex account every week on Sunday. Throughout the week, we do these extra races, which I'll be posting this form in the YouTube chat. If you win a race tonight, you're going to have an extra duck entry into the Sunday giveaway. So it just increases your odds of winning, just to like say thank you for supporting the stream throughout the week. Gives you an extra entry into the Sunday giveaway, and hopefully you have a better chance of winning on the Sunday giveaway. So I'm just going to make this form real quick. So name, email, YouTube name, country, Butch, my guy, what's poppin'? ASP's in the house. How are you doing? I'm just chilling, you know. It's a new prop firm popping up every week. LOL. What's your position? I'm flat right now. I was hoping for a bullish move above the VWAP. Looking like we're not going to get it, though. This market is in bear mode lately, guys. Just bear mode. What's the blue and red wicks? Sorry? What is the blue and red wicks? Oh, down on the blue and red? Are you talking about these guys? Those were trades that I had taken earlier. I took a couple trades earlier there. So I ended up shorting it, and I actually got stopped out, unfortunately, on that first trade. And then I ended up shorting again, and then I closed it for some nice profit. I have money in the account on that one, so. Yeah, it's too bad. I was like adjusting my stop loss because I had an OCO order, and I was just about to drag my stop loss up, and that midnight open candle just bounced up and hit my stop before I could even move it, because I was gonna try to put it actually up here to the value area low, and so it's unfortunate I took a little loss there because that would have played out. Random, but I finally killed the mosquito that's been flying around in my room, terrorizing me for an hour. This thing's practice guerrilla warfare, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna publish this giveaway form and copy it and post it in the chat here. So there you go, guys. I just posted the Google Docs form there in the chat. If you fill that one out, you'll be entered into tonight's duck race. And what we're going for tonight is, if you win, you'll get an extra duck entry into the Sunday giveaway. If you want to have more than one duck in the Sunday giveaway, you got to head into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the top, or hit the pinned message button, and fill it out. So here's the Discord, guys. Over here, go to the giveaway entry here, right? Either just scroll right to the top, or there's a little button on the top right corner here called pin message. Hit that. It'll show this little window here. And here's a form, the Google Docs form. Fill this out. We restart this form once a month. So all you gotta do is fill this one out once. You'll be entered in on all the Sunday giveaways. And then at the end of the month, so after next Sunday coming up here, we're gonna make a new form. You'll have to come back in the Discord and refill it out, just so we can keep refreshing it, and we don't have people, you know, in there from like previous months kind of idea. Hey Jack, 2100 in the house. How you doing? $2 says we bounced from 27,420. You're willing to bet that? Hopefully you didn't wake up mom doing it. Doing what? Maybe we sell side liquidity here. Yes, I was live last night, and I'll be live again tomorrow night. 167 people in YouTube right now, 2 people in X. Welcome everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Lafta, is silver and NQ had a baby and was on crack, it would be NKD. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty low volume right now. This is Asia. This is an evening session. This is what we got, unfortunately. This is what we got to work with. OC Dog Trainer in the house. Yo, what's up? NKD is wild. They call it Widowmaker. Yeah. Meme. Can you add indicators, use algo script to buy and sell signals like Lux Algo? Are you talking about on TradingView? Oh my god, why Widowmaker? LOS? LOL? What's Widowmaker? Oh, they call it Widowmaker? Yeah. Why Widowmaker? Good question. You want to start by saying I don't get paid by them or affiliate, but Clear Edge automating is awesome. Very thin liquidity. Yes, we are. There's not a whole lot of volume, and the bears are definitely in control here at the moment. You think it's going to bounce here on the 420s? She might. Can make you rich or make you poor? NKD, you mean? 15-minute gap could play. Yeah, I know. This is it is a pretty big draw on liquidity, those 15-minute fair value gaps, guys. So this was my original strategy, was plan. I just kind of missed the opportunity to get in on this guy. I don't know what the heck happened. I got a blister on my hand. What did I do? Right here with my left hand, which I don't even remember. I didn't use it for anything today, really. Till ES hits the monthly gap, NQ tapped into it today. Put a Tory trend line on NQ. You like, I don't know, you want something like that or what? I don't know. I don't know. I just don't see the cleanest Tory trend line right now. Or I usually would put one up. It's pretty steep though. Pretty steep Tory trend line. You have 2 next gen funded, one on one account. My consistency is messed up because I made too much. The other account has wild P&L today, plus 500, then minus 875. Ooh. I must have got something in my hand. Everybody talking about Tory trend lines? Yeah, it's hilarious. Open monthly chart. That big green candle with no wick on the other side is the gap. We got a huge bullish fair value gap on the monthly chart, but how do you, pretty hard to trade that. Oh, with ES? What happened? For some reason, Ralph's camera just died. I had a battery pack connected to it. I don't know why the heck it didn't work. I'll be right back. One moment here, guys. Give me a minute here. Got to get Ralph's back in action here. Bouncing off the 420s there. Here's your $2. Is that the bounty you're talking about? Didn't really get much bounce out of that, eh? Making monies on funded accounts are way better than evals. Yeah, sometimes just have to get out the market. All the recent big shorts bounce from a Tory trend line. They work. Like last night's stream, we had a pretty nice short trade on a trend line. Dude, you're trying to pass evals as fast as possible. I'll blow it and buy another one versus waste time on it. Yeah, makes sense. Do you have any tricks to get the order filled at Trina Banana? Just buy a straight to funded if you're worried about wasting time. Yeah, that's true. It's just unfortunate. The usually when you go straight to funded, your consistency tends to be really low. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Oh yeah, FN trade. You're not looking for more than a few points at a time. Nice. You'll pay 95 and then wait 2 days. Yeah. Yeah, versus pay. The only drawdown, right, is if you can pass evals, right? You can spend a similar amount of money trading evals, get one passed, and then you have better consistency rules and better rules on it, right? a $200 for straight to funded. I think you can get a pretty cheap straight to funded with top one futures, but the consistency is only like 15%, right? So if you were to go, oh, this is a instant funded here, Ignite, trade of 8, 25K, $98 right now with code Butcher. You can get a 25K straight to funded for $98. 50K for $179, code Butcher. But again, it's 15% consistency, right? Drawdown end of day. So that is an option there. $200, $179. Yeah, they're a good firm. They're a good firm. So I can't tag you. I'm only on mobile trying to put limit orders when I was in Lucid and Tradeify. So many times my stops won't fill. I have to manually close it. Oh, really? You can never trade with a 500 daily loss limit? Is that what, was there a daily loss limit on these accounts? Is that what you're saying? Oh yeah, on this, on the 25K. Yeah, they got $1,000 daily loss limit on those. Bro, I'll throw that on algo. I don't care about consistency rules. Nice. Yeah, I mean, what if you just set up the rules on the your Tradeify account or whatever, like you can just automatically sell it at whatever price, right? So code Butch, BUTCH for top one futures. If you're looking to get into there, they do have good. They are good. They do have good accounts, right? Instant sim funded, 50K, $306. If you wanted to go straight to funded, 1250 daily loss limit, 20% consistency. That's their so top one futures is usually the one that I recommend to people if you're like looking for you know, straight to funded. But usually most people that are trading in my stream are, you know, somewhat, not fully, a lot of people are newer, so I always recommend Lucid because Lucid has one-time payments. It's not a monthly subscription. There's no activation fee. But if you're, you know, if you're constantly, if you can make payouts, you're passing your evals no problem, then straight to funded is definitely a good route. Top Steps 150 a day with 20% consistency. Nice. How long does it take you to get a payout? Depending on, are you talking about with top one futures? Top one futures, I think they have a minimum trading days of, where does it say it here? Does it say minimum trading days? I think they have minimum trading days of like 5 days or something. Yeah, with a 20% consistency, you got to trade it for 5 days, or else you won't be able to make the consistency, right? And if it's 15%, I think it's like maybe 7 days. I mean, does it take long to get to your bank? Oh, no. They're pretty fast. They use Tapalti for payouts. So as far as I know, like when I got my payout from them, it was relatively fast. I think it was like next day or something. Let me just ask the AI button here, AI guys, real quick. It says 24 to 48 hours, but it's usually closer to 12 hours. Yeah, I took 2 trades today. I took one here. I got stopped out. I was trying to adjust my stop loss, and the midnight candle came and just took me out right away. And then I ended up re-entering right after because I totally screwed it up. And then I ended up taking some profits off, and then this guy ended up bouncing back up on me, and I had one running contract, and I recovered my loss, and then I was up a little bit on that. So yeah, so one win, one loss so far. Yeah, I kind of screwed up on my first one. So I entered here, and then I did like an OCO order, and it kind of like had my stop there. The next candle opened up right away and popped straight up, and I was literally like grabbing it, trying to move the stop because I wanted my stop above the value area low here. And then it stopped me out before I could move it. So then I just re-entered again, and I put my stop up there, and then I ended up closing, you know, into profit there on that one. And then, like I said, I could have captured a bit more out of that, but I was hoping that this was going to do kind of what we're doing here, but it ended up popping back up and stopping me out in the money though. Don't you get banned if you blow a live account? No, they don't ban you, but they'll put you on like a delay. Like you won't be able to trade for like a week or something. I think Ralph's cold, guys. Ralph Cam back in action here. There you go. There's that bounce off this 420 there. Somebody owes him $2 for sure. Hey, compact Jimmy in the house. Sweet. I mean, does it take long? Oh yeah, it's about 12 hours on average. So, OC, thanks. You sound like an experienced trader. I just checked. It took me 4 years trading prop firms to be profitable. Wow. Good for you, Lafta, though. Lafta's been a consistent, solid viewer here for some time. Always positive and having a good time. So good to be around you, Lafta. Take a look at the 15-minute chart here. I think my custom RSI indicator might work better on TradingView or Thinkorswim. 2 to 5 years seems to be the minimum for most people. Thanks, love you too. No homo, only YOLO. I mean, I'm a little obsessive when I get into something. Oh yeah, you're trying to say obsessive. Joe Margela bull flag. That's what I'm looking at here. We need to break out of this though. We need to break out. Like it was looking pretty good there, but then we got a rejection right off the top of the channel there, so don't like that. That was our chance to kind of to break out up to the VWAP at least, right? Is it public on TradingView? Good question. Good question. Yeah, if it would have broken out here, it might just be doing a pullback here and then it might pop up out. But this could, you know, typically these channels that are trending down like this tend to break to the top side. So it might still go, but we'll see. We'll see. It might need to like sweep these lows one more time or something down to 400. But it seems like we should be able to pop here. I don't know. Same thing with the bear flag. If it breaks out, the flag will continue to the downside. Yeah. And usually bear flags are like trending upwards, right? And then they break to the downside. Whereas the bull flags are trending down, like on a downward angle, and then they break to the top side. And it's not a guarantee, as we know, but they're a higher likelihood that they're going to break to the top side, right? I mean, that does look pretty good like that. If we want to tighten it up a little bit. It rejected the +1 VWAP band. +1 or -1? I guess it depends on what VWAP you're running. Because for me, it's probably... Let's put on the VWAP bands here. We're in the -1 on the overnight VWAP. Kind of looks like they've found a little bit of support there at 59. Reject at 27,550. $457.70. Gotcha. I normally trade with Wolf Finance, and since I moved from options to props, gotcha. I never heard of Wolf Financial. Top 40 got another payout. We need to get through those 500s here. Interesting though, they had orders up there, and then they took it off. So there was about 32 contracts up there. Maybe whoever had those up there, they probably like took their profits as price was getting close to it. Took about 10 contracts off of that level. Yeah, you can have 5, I think, of those ones. So the Ignite are, no, you can have 10 accounts with the Ignite accounts. The sim funded ones are 5. So the instant sim funded are 5. The Ignite, which are the 15% consistency, you can have up to 10. 55% off with code Butcher. Is this thing gonna reject again off the channel? Looks like it, eh? I'll take a top sec payout and then buy 5 of them. Nice, yeah, that's a good idea. It's a good idea, especially if you're, you know, if you got the algo trading it. That's pretty cool. $10 sounds good, but 5 gives me 50. 5 gives me 50 funded. Oh wow. You're like Nick then. You and Nick are in the similar boat. Nick is trying to get to 100 accounts. He was trying to get to the 100 accounts. I don't know if that's still his goal for the year, but he has 63. I think he had 5 TPT accounts, unfortunately, that he lost due to nonsense. Not his fault. Well, seems like it was like a platform error. Chris, you think we're going to get there? What are you talking about? 457.70? Oh, no. Oh, you think he will get there? Yeah, he probably will, for sure. I mean, he's a great trader, for sure. Yeah. It'd be nice if we get a breakout of this. What do you think about the Top Step Octagon contest, OC Dog Trainer? Think we'll break out when we touch the FVG? Which one? Are you talking about this lower one, or are you talking about this guy right here? We need ideally we can get an inversion of this guy, so we need a 5-minute closure above 522. That would be really strong for the bulls. Maybe we'd head back all the way to the to the highs. Maybe we're gonna go retest these highs. Jerry buying Coke like Buffett does. Welcome, Degens Anonymous. I think I'm going to take a stab at this, guys. Sort of stop below 450. It might pull back on me, but... And then just sort of target the VWAP 530. Come on, don't reject here. That would be annoying. Yeah, you're not that kind of trader. I take base hits. Nice. Who's that? Who's doing affiliates again? I don't know anything about it. Hedging cost me. What, TPT's taking affiliates? Give me 200 per account a day and I'm happy. 1,000, I'm really happy. Yeah, I mean that is the way to go for sure. So this isn't a blue sky eval, guys. So just FYI. Risking my profits here. What do we got? It's a 10:30 candle right now, or 1:30 candle. I have a really high paying day job. Trading is a side hustle. I'm trying to build automation for it to help me retire. Yeah, nice, smart. Yeah, I know. I should have waited for the closure. That's what I was just saying too. I was like, I should just wait for a closure here. Yeah, I don't know. Might still go. Might still go. But it doesn't want to let us get off of this trend line, eh?
And remember, if MQ gets dirty,
should actually probably give it a little more space on the downside. Maybe just a couple more ticks on the downside here. Oh geez, we haven't done the giveaway. I know. I started late, so I'm kind of staying a little bit later. We'll stick around for a bit. Let me get this form going though. Now that I got in this trade, how many we only got 14 responses in the forum, guys. Only 14 people entered. Last chance there. I just posted it, the Google Docs form if you guys want to try to get in on the giveaway there. If I give it away to LAFTA and if I win, give it to. It's just an extra duck in the Sunday giveaway, guys. So it's just an extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. So Blue Sky's good company. Yeah, I like Blue Sky. That's what I'm trading right now. This is a Blue Sky eval. This guy is. How much profit do I got in this guy? I'm up 2,100 in this account right now, or 2,200. So I'm about 800 away from passing this guy. Looking for a little base hit here. Yes, 4-hour ATR hit 4.5 standard deviation today. Wouldn't be surprised to see it pause tomorrow, but the 1 day has barely moved. Methinks it's much more selling to go in August, eh? Yeah. Come on, Bulls. Let's get us through this VWAP here. Don't be a jerk. Santana winner. Hey, what's up? Good evening. Don't trust your computer and your engineering with your money. Yeah. You can use AI to build an algo, but not execute live trades. Okay. Better to execute on sim accounts, like in props. Automation needs a company. Gotcha. Angie is ready. Okay, how are we doing on the form? Did anybody else fill out the form? Okay, we got 22 entries now. That's nice. All right, I'm gonna grab the names off the form here. Let's get this race going. So again, if you guys win this race, this will be for a 50K, an extra duck in the Sunday giveaway, guys. Not a 50K account. Extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. That way you'll have more than one duck in the race on Sunday. Just FYI, we don't have any accounts to give away today. I only get 4 accounts per month at the moment, so we do it every Sunday. So we'll have it on Sunday. You just got to be here. You got to be able to trade with Lucid in the country that you live in, and you can only win 1 account per month or per week. I can't talk right now. What's going on? Go ask your AI how you have a system for your personal trades like Clear Edge automation and see what it tells you. Gotcha. Okay, duck race. Names, edit list. Here we go. Get a pop here. Come on. Let's go, Bulls. Got to break through the 500 here. We got some orders piling up above. Some at 550 and some at 537 there. Yeah, I trade regular trading hours too. I trade the New York Open 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be live for roughly about 2 hours. Come on, Bulls. Don't let these Bears take it. Don't let the Bears take it. NQ holding it down. I know. What the heck, right? We need more pop. Totally agree.
Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader.
Okay, let's see here. How long do we want to do this? Let's do 48 seconds. Shuffle these guys around. Okay, good luck to you guys. We'll do probably about 3 races here. Again, like I said, this is for a extra duck in the Sunday race. So no need to touch longs yet. No delivery, no orders. Yeah. All right, good luck here. Be nice if we can get above the VWAP, then we can be looking for it. So 1-1-1-1. I'll win now. Nice. Force fed there. Angia, Santana winner. Chris, dog trainer. OC dog trainer. Wrong trade Jim. Hectron, Zero Skills, Jerry Trades. Ryan Entourage. Chris. Greg P 2020. Come on, boys, let's go. Who's coming from the back here? That's gonna be a W. Chris is gonna take the W, guys. Looks like Chris is taking the W. Okay, let me get this duck race entry summary open here. Congrats, Chris. Race again here. Good luck here. Shuffle this up and let's get it going. Good luck here.
Hey, what's up? Good evening.
Another stop loss. Another lesson.
There we go. Jack 2100, Boomer Sooner, Apex Liquidity, Metalhead, Wrong Trade Jim, Dever Lugo, 111. Everybody's pumping. They're trying to make their ducks go crazy here. Go number 5. Who's this? Parv 2RT. Parv 2RT. Are you here still? Congratulations if you are. You just won a extra duck entry into the Sunday giveaway. Parv, are you here? Are you here, Parv? I'm just gonna start the next race anyways. Parv, you got a minute here to answer. If you don't, we'll just do another one after this one. So let's shuffle this around. Good luck. Marble race is more fun, yeah. We all know his duck was on roids. You're next, Jerry. You're next. Solmendra Prasad with Dvevidi. You put some question marks. What are you asking there, bro? What are you asking? You are next, Jerry. You are next. Stop loss is hit there, the 16-second mark. Zero Skills out in the front. Metalhead in there also. Miss K911. Force Fed. Looks like Force Fed's gonna grab this W here. There you go. I never heard from Parv yet. So I think Parv isn't here, guys. So sorry about that, Parv. Force Fed _ Zia ZEDL1. There you go. Force Fed's got an extra duck there. And let's go one more time here, since Parv missed his missed a free duck. So good luck here. You put Z. I know AI knew it. It put it at ZL1. I was like, what? I never saw it say ZED. Somendra, sorry you missed. If you missed the form, you had the chance to enter earlier. Sorry, brother. This is the last race, so sorry if I missed you. You gotta fill out the form in the chat there to get in the entry. Sorry about that. But you're welcome to go to the Discord, and there's a form on there. And then if you come hang out on Sunday on the Sunday stream, you'll be entered into that giveaway. So, are we gonna hit TP on this guy, guys? Apex Liquidity. Apex Liquidity, are you here?
Trend line. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go.
Apex, are you here? Apex Liquidity, you gotta say what's up in the chat, brother, or we're gonna have to run it back again.
Stop loss.
Is this another person that left it? Looks like we're gonna have to run it again here, guys. Apex Liquidity. I'm gonna leave your name in the chat here. We'll run it one more time, I guess. Here. Good luck, guys. Think we're gonna get a rejection 25,550? Are we gonna even make it there? That's the question. Agent Rogue, Hectron, Miss K, Ivanova, Olga Ivanova. Sorry, my apologies. Raid ESC. Do I see your name on here? Just my style. Angia. Agent Rogue, Santana winner. Who's gonna win this? Looks like Agent Rogue's gonna take it, guys. Agent Rogue, are you here, buddy? Congratulations. Agent Rogue. Q5V. Wonder how many soccer fans overstayed their visas. I know. I heard. There's probably a lot. I heard that a lot of them are claiming asylum too. Actually, Agent Rogue. Did I see your name? There you go. Nice. Congrats, buddy. Congrats. So that was Agent Rogue, Force Fed, and Chris. All got a W there. Congrats, everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Good luck on the Sunday giveaway. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you head into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel. Looks like we're about to hit TP here. I should almost just close this trade, hey guys? Come on, give me a little pop here. Really? Is it gonna give me a wick sniff there? This is a little wick sniff. Come on. Just tap it. Just tap it. Come on. There we go. And we're out of that trade. Nice little, that was a little $50 base hit, guys. Little $50 base hit there. Let's make sure we got out of any leftover trade there. There we go. There's that 450s almost. Let's see if you're right here about the 450s there. Yeah, it was a little base hit, Took the breakout trade there. Stop below the lows of these recent candles. Pretty simple trade, right? A Tory tan line for the W. 4 lows from today close will get touched at least tomorrow, if not broken. That's fair. It's fair. Might. I think you're onto something, that for sure. It was a bunt. You were a bunter in baseball? Nice. Yeah, I mean, the bunt works very well in its job when you need the job.
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart.
Are they going to get above the VWAP here? That's the question right now. Or are they just going to pull back down here? Maybe. My uncle is Brett Butler. Nice. He played pro ball and taught me. Nice. Very good. Oh my God. What a big candle. Almost there. Almost screwed me. That big candle almost screwed you? Why were you at a sell limit in and luckily it didn't get to the stop? Ooh, okay. I managed to get out green. Very good, very good. Just my pump to London pre-market, yeah. My uncle-in-law was a pitcher for Phillies, and other uncle-in-law was the CFO of a Fortune 500 company. I worked behind a Wendy's dumpster though, so they got nothing on me. Jesus, that's interesting. Did anyone else take that entry I mentioned 30 minutes ago? My God, the 420s. The 420s, right? I waited for a little more confirmation on that, but that was a nice trade though, back to the VWAP for sure. If you bought it at the 420s. Did it hit 420? Just barely, eh? Would have had to be like 421 or something. But hey guys, you know what? I'm gonna wrap it up here. I do have to get to sleep. It's for the market open tomorrow morning. It was a bit of an impromptu stream tonight, so just kind of put it together last minute here. So thanks for coming, hanging out. Had a fun night. Hopefully, if you're new to the channel, you guys head into the Discord and fill out the form in the giveaway channel so you can be entered into the Sunday giveaways going forward, where we give away one 25K Lucid Flex account every Sunday. So and if you're here throughout the week like we are today and you enter in on the duck race and you win, you get an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. So yeah, you might not be on that much next several days traveling. Okay, Chris, well, good. If you're not there to claim it, that sucks, but it is what it is. Just try to hop on your phone when it's a giveaway time, because you do have some extra ducks. So should tap 395 for shorts. Is pretty heavy breakdown right there, guys. So that fair value gap held. Yeah, try for Sunday. Okay, thanks Zero Skills. Thanks everybody. I'm gonna do my little shout out as usual here while we wrap up the stream. Top fans: Chris, Jerry Trades, FN Trades, Big Teflon, Atheistic Christ, Zero Skills, Lafta, Force Fed, Danye, Greg P, Natural Energy, Zero PhD, Ryan Entourage, Clee Torres, Eric Lodnicki, trade it until you make it. Meme. Antoine OG, Antonio G, sorry. Hectron, First Light Beacon, Mustang Trader, OC, Dog Trainer, Santana Winner, J Loves, Randall Paul, Chillum, H Santiago, Yo Jim Nada Torres, Angia, Compact Jimmy, Metalhead, Kyle Shees, Joe Margiela, Margiela, I think, Romeo Hayashi, Agent Rogue, Trina Banana, Ji Guo Wang, Catherine Parasillo, Wrong Trade Jim, Air 23, Jordan, Sat 9473, Schwibbles, Ghost Trader, Musashi, Sonic Wicks, GMAC Trades, Colleen Trades, Born Huntin', AXP, and Raj Tiss. Thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Midwest Pip Farm. Hey, how you doing? Welcome. Like I said, guys, head over to the Discord. Fill out that form on the Discord if you want to be entered into the Sunday giveaway. I do stream live Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, the occasional Monday and Wednesday, like I am tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time till roughly about this time. Usually a little bit earlier. We got a late start tonight, so it is what it is. And yeah, be here on Sunday for the giveaway. If you're here through the week, you might have a chance to win an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. So thanks a lot. 再见. 晚安. Yeah. Thanks, guys. So we'll be live tomorrow morning again, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. How does strategy work, man? Interested to know more. You know what? Here, before I go, I will link you my YouTube TradingView video. I made a video on TradingView. It's a pretty long one, but it's got how I set up my TradingView and how I plan my trades, how I set up my levels and everything. So if you want to see that, I'll link it right here. And definitely hit the like button on that video if you like it. It is, like I said, it's a little bit longer. So, spend a few minutes on it. A lot of it's kind of some basic TradingView setup. But if you kind of like just quickly, you can probably skip through some parts of that if you know it. That'll show you about how I set my levels, my, volume profile, how I anchor my VWAPs, and then also how I take entries off of the fair value gaps, or some basic stuff there on that. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. So you guys have a great night, and we'll catch you on the morning or tomorrow night. We'll be live tomorrow morning and night. So thanks everybody. Appreciate you. Ralph says bye-bye. Later, Air. Thanks, Zero. You have a great night. Bye, Angia. Good night. PB, check out that video. Ji Guo Wang, have a good night. 再见. Chris, have a great night. Chad Koran, have a great night. OC, peace. Another great stream. Thanks, Wrong Trade. What FVG held? This bearish one. The bearish one between 502 and 520. A 5-minute bearish fair value gap held. Sorry if I missed that comment earlier. Hey, Zero Skills, thanks. Ralph loves you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We're close to 2K. Yes, thank you, Force Fed. You guys are awesome. Good night, Angia. Again. Ryan Entourage, no, you're the man. Catch you tomorrow, brother. Was a very jam entry, FN trades. Yeah, that was a good call on the rejection of 545. Bye. Woof. Sonic Wicks, hey, you have a good night also. Peace out. Bye-bye, everybody.